Feeling overwhelmed by the thought of making repairs before selling your house? Maybe you're thinking, can't I just sell it as is and skip the hassle? You're not alone. A whopping 39% of home sellers last year went this route. But here's the thing, selling as is has some big trade-offs you need to know about. Hi, I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Williams Realty, your go-to real estate expert here in Central Oregon. Stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll walk you through the pros, the cons, and how to decide what's best for you. So let's dive in. What exactly does selling as is mean? It's pretty simple. You list your home in its current condition without making any repairs or updates, and you let buyers know upfront what they see is what they get. Sounds stress-free, right? It can be. No haggling over repairs after inspections, no rushing to fix that leaky faucet or patch up the walls. For sellers who are short on time or cash, it feels like a dream solution. But hold on, there's a catch. Here's the reality check. Selling as is can mean fewer buyers are interested. Why? Because most people want move-in ready homes. Fewer buyers means fewer offers, and fewer offers can lead to a lower sale price. In fact, homes that are updated, well-maintained, typically sell for more. That's why it's important to weigh the trade-offs. Sure, you're saving time and money up front, but it might cost you on the back end. Now, don't panic just yet. There's good news. According to recent data, 56% of buyers say they're open to buying a home that needs some work. Why? Because affordability is still a huge challenge and some buyers are willing to put in the effort if it means getting a home within their budget. So, even if your home isn't picture perfect, there's still a market for it. Here's where I come in. A good real estate agent, that's me, can help you figure out whether selling as is the right move for you. I'll show you what similar homes in your area have sold for, help you understand what buyers are looking for, and guide you in setting a fair price. Plus, I'll market your home to highlight its best features, whether that's location, size, or that amazing backyard to help buyers see the potential, not just the projects. And if you're still on the fence about whether to invest in repairs or updates, I can break down the numbers for you. What's the cost of a few key upgrades, and how much more could you sell for if you make them? Armed with that info, you can make a confident decision that works for your timeline and budget. Here's the bottom line. Selling as is can be a great option, especially if life has thrown you some curveballs and you just can't tackle repairs right now. But it's important to understand the trade-offs and make sure it's the right choice for you. And remember, you don't have to figure it out alone. Let's chat about your goals, your options, and how we can get your house sold on your terms. Give me a call today. I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Williams Realty.